through this farm we are teaching the farmer the very small kind of tips. We show them. For example, you can see that we have 24-hour supply of clean drinking water for the animals. But in traditional practice, they give only 1 or 2 times water to animals. So just by providing clean drinking water, enough water, you can produce, you can increase the milk production by 16%. So there is nothing extraordinary we are doing. This is a small tip. We are just showing them that if you give full amount of water to your cattle, you can increase your milk production by 16%. Similarly, we are having these mineral blocks and salts just to supplement their feed. So these are the small tips we are showing to our beneficiaries, to the farmer of this area, and they used to come here and see. This farm has a great demo effect on the whole area.
How many beneficiaries do we have in this project?
260 beneficiaries we trained during our project, but beside our own beneficiaries, more than 400 people visited the farm, and 4 other organizations like CNFA, ActionAid, SRSP and Government Line Department, they also arranged training in their farm, and they brought their own beneficiaries, their own community to the farm and showed them how to keep the animal in a modern way. We use different kind of fodder to grow here, and this one is a winter wheat. We have brought it from Paris. It is imported from USSR.
So this is the one you were telling me about?
Yeah. Right. So, although it is not that much suitable for this area, because
training hall where the communities gather together and the women are trained.
These are some of the dairy products which we made over the farm. This is the traditional cheese which people used to make at their home level, but they, instead of using modern techniques, they were using their traditional way to make the cheese. They were using yogurt in milk, and they make the cheese. After some days it becomes a little bit sour. So we trained them that how to make the cheese at their home using vinegar in it, and it's very delicious. You can check it, and after that we train them how to make the different types of yogurt, that is the fruit yogurt, different flavor yogurt, and also we focus that how to pack their products. And this is the butter which we made over the farm, and this is its packing is not too much costly. This packing costs only for 4 to 5 rupees, and if they can present their product like this in a market, they can get better profit.
So you're also giving them marketing training techniques of how?
Yes, little bit, but that marketing technique and that marketing protocol will be in the 3rd phase.
Actually, in 2nd phase, we just tried these products in different good stores, and we showed them to people, and there is a demand. But we haven't connected them to that market. But because that is only because of scale of production. But during this phase, as we have planned to organize them into business groups, so hopefully we would have large production, and we will connect them to the market. And we also have a plan to teach them different marketing techniques and training in business side. So hopefully by the end of the coming phase, they would be able to market their product to different places.
We're going to be able to try that cheese today.
Yes, this is for you, and you can try. And
okay.
But one thing, we would like to have your feedback. So this is a cooling unit with 300 liter capacity, and we used to, it can store milk for 72 hours, and we used to store milk from our dairy here, and that milk is utilized during the training of beneficiaries. And from that milk, they produce cheese, butter, and then we test it in the market. So in the next phase, we are going to have such cooling unit for each business group, so that they can bring their small quantity of milk and can keep it in a cooling tank for 1 day, and later they can jointly market them to the distant market.
This project is funded by Church World Services.
Yes.
Do we have any other partner on this project?
No. Church World Service is financing this project, and we are the implementer.
Okay, and of course, if somebody's watching this video and love this project, they can always donate to the Hashoo Foundation through our website www.hashoofoundation.org.
I would like to give my message that the livelihood, the people of this area, they are 80% dependent on livestock and dairy sector. So there is a great potential to increase their production level through their capacity building, and this could contribute in their increasing their economic condition. So this is a good chance to invest and to bring together all the farmer here and to create a kind of enterprise for them in dairy sector, because there is tremendous potential both on supply and demand side.
So this is a great opportunity to invest in a social business.
Yes.
That is helping alleviate poverty through economic development, empowering communities.
And especially the women, because they are mostly involved in livestock rearing and dairy sector.